I am Klaas Willems. I'm from Porsche Service at Gooi, PSG.
I'm Jan, I come from Barcelona.
My name is Jarek and I'm from Poland.
I'm Jamie, come from K Cars. We're in southwest of Ireland.
And today we are at the Nürburgring. Very nice, very good. Yeah, good trip. Yeah.
We have been visiting the experience center, having lunch together.
Getting to meet everyone on the team. It's been a really fantastic time just to interact and get to know you all.
Heaven for every petrolhead. Beautiful weather, beautiful condition, and schedule is also beautiful.
Inviting of Design 911. It's a family. They do all her business is his hobby, like hobby, and so it's easy to talk with the other guys. It's a good, nice team. Yes.
Definitely, it's like a family that we have the same tastes and walk. How do you say? We can travel around the world together.
We cooperate with Design 911 since 5 years, I think so. Yeah, relationships are very good, and the managing of this company is really good.
We like to work with people that know their stuff. We like to work with experts in their field. It was a great pleasure hosting Design 911 here at our factory in Zimmerman, Germany. It was so much fun to get to know each other better. We've chosen Design 911 as a strategic partner for their respective markets. We had a great time at the Nürburgring here in Germany. We spent some quality time together, socializing, talking about cars, talking about Porsches, and it was quite obvious that the team was a really good fit and that the personalities involved really know their stuff. Can't wait to go back to their location to visit them again.